Hello everyone and welcome. Do you want to be at the forefront of AI-driven exposure management? Well, you can do that with Tenable Exposure AI. Today we're doing a quick review on Tenable. As you can see, it tells you it can harness the power of generative AI for preventive security. It's really good. If you want to demo, just click here. So no matter where your threats may come from, you can use Tenable. It transforms your approach to security by enabling fast analysis, decision-making, and guidance, cutting through a complexity to stay ahead of attackers. Leveraging comprehensive data and expertise, Tenable helps teams shift from reactive to proactive, turning all analysts into expert defenders to reduce risks across evolving attack surfaces. So data is everything, powered by exposure graph. We are not without contextual data. That's why you need the word-based exposure content to make more efficient preventive security decisions. So you also have to do more with preventive security, use exposure AI, which is from Tenable. You can do search and filter as you can do search and filter assets, explain, take actions, and you can have about 1 trillion unique counts of threat vulnerability asset data that have been prevented, 1 billion assets, about 800 million security configurations, 60 billion exposure events. It's available through Tenable One, the world's only AI-powered exposure management platform. It solves the central challenge of modern security, a deeply divided approach to seeing and doing battle against cyber risk. And Tenable removes the risks by unifying security visibility, insight, and action across the attack surface to rapidly expose and close gaps. So try it today. It is innovative AI data for exposure management. These are the benefits you also get from it. It's related sources on it to get started with it today. Just fill in and contact them. It's as simple as that.